This is a secret trick for always sparkling windows. It was shared with me by a woman who's been professionally cleaning windows for 30 years and knows exactly what works. Over time, white PVC frames tend to yellow, lose their shine, and make the whole room look dull and less fresh. Dust and dirt can also affect the air quality in your home, which is especially troublesome for allergy sufferers. That's why regular window cleaning is so important. And all you need is something you already have at home: dishwasher tablets. Their formula makes them perfect for cleaning other surfaces too. They contain active enzymes and degreasing agents that effectively remove dirt, stains, and buildup. Just drop 2 tablets into 3 liters of hot water and let them dissolve. Stir well, soak a sponge or soft cloth in the solution, and gently wipe the window frames. You'll see the grime disappear within moments. Finally, rinse the frames with clean water and dry them with a soft microfiber cloth. The frames will be spotless, bright white, and look like new again. It's a simple, inexpensive, and highly effective method that truly works. Just a few minutes, and your windows will look professionally cleaned.